Constructing a house is a really thoughtful process, and it is a really difficult task to identify the right vendor because there are plenty of options available in market, and there is a lot of news around people being cheated by various kinds of builders, contractors, and it becomes really important, and it is also a really difficult task to identify the right contractor when it comes to getting your building constructed. While I was in the process, when I purchased my plot, many people suggested me that since I'm from a North India and staying in South India, so at times there is a lot of things involved when it comes to your language, culture, and a lot of diversity. People are friendly here, but what happens is at times when you deal with the local contractors, the problem is it, you may get treated differently. You may get like face problems like your language and other issues. And the trust, how do you build the trust with a somebody whom you never know, whom you have not interacted in past? So when you are interacting with somebody for the first time and you are giving or investing or trusting somebody at couple of meetings that you are investing your whole life's earning, you are investing in a one project starting from your 50 lakhs to a crore rupees of money, and with taking a heavy bank loan. So it becomes really important that whomever you give the project to execute, it has to be trustworthy. So while I was doing this task, I interacted with traditional as well as the online vendors who are promoting their business online. And there is a various kinds of cost starting from a really cheap to a really high end. So it becomes a really difficult task to identify that why somebody is charging really low versus somebody is charging really high versus somebody is promoting all the transparency and things on the online website and somebody is a traditional contractor. So there is a lot of thoughts and people talk fooling around that if you are giving to somebody who is promoting their business online and they have come up in the market, like this industry is mushrooming like anything. So how do you trust and how do you build that, whether you give it to somebody, a traditional contractor versus somebody whom you are seeing online, all the promotion, offer and etc., with the right price and contact. So I identified 3 traditional and 3 online contractor, interacted with them and gained a lot of knowledge while I was also reading on online portals that how actually the construction goes on, because we are new, we don't know anything about the civil engineering. So the trust factor becomes important. But can we establish the trust with a contractor within a couple of meetings? No, probably may not. So I had invested a couple of months time to go through the details and nuances of building construction, and while I interacted with Better Company, I found it really reasonable in terms of the cost, in terms of the quality, and they took me to their existing projects. The another good point I liked about them is the customer satisfaction. Since the day one, they have never compromised on customer satisfaction. My construction is started on 23rd of December, and till today what they have done is clearly visible, and all the materials, all the things, it is as per the contract, as per the written agreement so far. So far everything is going smooth and not a single concern, and whenever there is little bit ups and downs, they had immediately addressed to up to the customer satisfaction. So I would highly recommend Better Company to anybody who is going for the first time construction, who is struggling with whom to give, with a tip that you identify anybody, whether it is a local known builder or you identify somebody from who is organizing this industry and taking it to a logical solution provider. You do your task, your homework up to an extent that you are ready with the right kind of questions. Monitor your projects, which is really important, and make sure that what you are getting is value, because you are investing your whole life's earning to get your dream house done. So thanks a lot, Better Company. Do well, and looking forward for the better home done by the Better Company. And I will certainly share my next video once the project is executed well. So look forward to having my dream house constructed in few months down the line.